Hey guys, welcome back to Sticky Sensei here on YouTube. Okay then, you lovable gits, as you guys seen yet again actually, we are doing another unboxing. And can I just point something out here, okay? Many of you guys out there may not know, okay, my birthday is on December the 29th, not on December the 27th. The December the 27th is this YouTube channel's birthday, so in a way, it kind of feels like I've got two birthdays, but you know, I'm not the one to brag about things, okay? So I just want to point that out to you guys, okay? So yeah, last Sunday was my birthday, and technically what happened was that my family did not know what to get me, because I don't really, I don't tell people properly when if I want. And basically what they did, they just all gave me money, and they're like, well, at least though we give you the money and you can get whatever you want to buy, okay? So technically what happened was that many of you guys out there, if you did watch my last vlog actually about the YouTube burnout, I've gone back to university to study, and also I'm at the gym as well, and I kind of needed this special item because it just kind of keeps me going at the gym. And can you guys guess what it is at this point? Any guesses? Please fill in the blanks in the comments below, okay? Love you guys. I've actually found this one really cheap, and I'm really hoping to God, yeah, that this isn't like a cheap knockoff or anything like that, because this type of brand I do love. And now I'm beginning to understand the entire process of like brand deals and affiliates and all the other type of things, okay? So yeah, say again that they are not sponsoring me or nothing like that. It's nothing like that. I'm just giving my honest opinion and my feedback and my thoughts out to this company, okay, which I am a huge fan of, because these guys are super sweet. If you guys do know about my headphones history, that was a clue. Many of you guys out there are probably so confused, like, woman, what the hell are you talking about? We have no idea what you're talking about. And actually, what the hell am I getting deja vu for? No idea, that brain. Seriously, I get deja vu like every single freaking time. Which, honestly though, God knows, to be honest, at this point. Okay. Sorry guys, I've just managed to rip the box off. Sorry, one sec. Sorry, love you guys. No, that's mine. Oh yeah, you know it. Yeah, so I actually got a pair of headphones from Turtle Beach. Are these? I hope these are the right ones. Oh man, is he kidding me? They're second-handed. Honest though, not one if I was expecting. Honestly, not one if I was expecting actually, because I swore this was like first-handed, but to me it looks like it's second-handed to me. Damn. Well, bummer. Crap. But at least though, bubble wrap. sorry. I am so sorry. But when it comes to bubble wrap, okay, Sensei, stop it. I am so sorry. Sensei loves bubble wrap. To be honest though, this was not one if I was expecting. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. This is not actually one if I was expecting. I was expecting like, something else actually, but not in like this type of way. So basically, one of you guys are seeing right now, this is the Turtle Beach I30 wireless headphones, and I kind of needed these for the gym, because if you guys have ever tried working out with wires, your wires gets in your way. Seriously, when you're doing cardio, press ups, bench presses, or even when you're on the freaking treadmill in that scenario. So this is not one of I expected. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, this was not one of I was expecting, to be honest, because I was expecting it to be like in the normal box and everything else, but not in bubble wrap and not coming to me in like this. But at least though, they did send over the stuff, and this is not directly from the website. I'm so sorry, I should have made that much more clearer. This is from eBay. I got this from eBay actually. It was a really good price. It was I can work around this, I can, But honestly though, not one of I was expecting, to be honest. At least I will be honest with you guys. So Turtle Beach, the I30 wireless mobile headset quick starter guide. Okay, but one thing with me is I don't really understand about these type of things, that it might sound a bit cliche or a little bit stupid for me, but I don't normally follow the instructions. I do not, and I'm not sure if that's a good thing or a bad thing. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below, okay? I love you guys. So what's gonna happen now though? Let's see what they're like. 1 second, let me take these out of the bag, because honestly though, I'm being honest with you guys, this was not one if I was expecting, and I was expecting it from like the box and anything else. So yeah, okay. Okay. So say again though, you got the Turtle Beach logo right there, you have, which is pretty nice, the Bluetooth adapter, sound, audio, how to switch them on, etc, I would say. But this is the reason why I kind of bought these for, was just for the gym. Honestly though, I'm not really liking this, but maybe I just have to get used to these type of things anyway. Okay, so if you guys check back with me in a minute, I'm just gonna put these on the charge, and then I'll see what I can do, because I've never messed with audio, because it's always with videos, not with audio. I should also learn MP3 instead of MP4. Okay, yeah, so I'll probably check back in with you guys in a minute, okay? Love ya. And welcome back. Okay, cool. So basically what I've done, I'm about to put this headphones on the charge, and I've got my portable iPhone with charger. Guys, I did do a video on this. I think it was last year I did, and I'm sorry though, I didn't bring you guys back a review. So let me slam it in this video as well, okay? Fantastic, seriously fantastic. If you're a student like me, or if you're like a person that loves to travel, invest in one of these with chargers, because they will save you a lot of time and hassle. Because the thing is that my iPhone 7, okay, this got a new follower up on Instagram. If you guys are not yet following me up on social media, please make sure that you do, okay? Love you guys. It just helps me, you know, keep this phone of mine with charge every single time when I'm in class, or when I'm filming or editing, and it's just a really great tool just to have with you, okay? And the reason why, you know, I brought it upon this video was because basically I wanted to show you guys, I wanted to see if this actually does recharge, so to speak. So let's just see if this does, okay? Ooh, it talks. Did you guys hear that? It says recharging batteries. Ooh, it talks. So that's good then, that's good. So this works then, this works. Okay, fine. To be honest though, not one of I was expecting, seriously. Not one of I was expecting, because I was expecting it to be in the box, you know, like a first-handed type of one. But that was pretty cool, How long do I need this to charge for? Because I've got to go to the gym in a minute, actually, and I really do need this, actually, so to speak. I really do need it. Also, I need to put you guys onto my phone, so that's another demonstration I can show you guys. But at the moment, though, I need to know, how long do you guys last for, so to speak? Interesting. Very, very interesting, my dear friends, if I do not say so myself, actually, so to speak. No, but seriously, this is like freaking amazing. This is so freaking much. To be honest though, I was expecting, like, yet again, like the box, and not like this. But okay, cool. That's fine. Cool, that's fine. So yeah, you know what I'm gonna do, actually? I'm gonna leave this. What time is it now? It's 11:42. Okay, so if I hit the gym at 1, I can leave this on for like a few hours, kind of ish, to be honest. Because I never felt, because I'm gonna be, it's leg day for me, it is, unfortunately. Yesterday it was arm day, and today is leg day for me, so to speak. Okay then, you know what I'm gonna do though, guys. Let's leave this for a few hours and we'll come back to it, okay? But seriously, can I say once again, like, a major thank you to those. If you guys have subscribed, guys, thank you so much. If you left me a like, a comment, if you shared or even subscribed, guys, thank you so much. You guys mean the world to me, okay? And also, if you haven't checked out my last vlog, please go back and make sure that you do. And also, if you're not following me up on social media, please look in the link box below, you guys. Down there, you can find the sneaky link. The sneaky link is where I keep all my information and all my, you know, like, social media accounts. Also, if you guys want to go ahead and buy this for yourself, I'll leave the link in the link box below, you guys, so you guys can go there and buy that for yourself as well. And if you're down there, just, you know, have a look about, you know, have a browse, you know, see if there's anything that you guys do like. Please click and buy, I'm gonna say, at least, okay? So I'll probably catch you guys in a bit then, okay? So love ya. And welcome back. Okay, cool. So these have had like a few hours left on the charge, so let's see how this works out. And what I might do, actually, I might kill the camera here, but I'll see you guys back on my iPhone, because I've got to show you guys how to link these headphones towards your iPhone by using Bluetooth, okay? So I'll see you guys in a bit, okay? Love ya. And welcome back, guys. Okay, cool. So as you read that title correctly, yes, one day later, because technically what happened was that when I showed you guys how to connect these headphones to my iPhone, I took them to the gym and I was working out with these, and it's actually severely fantastic. Sorry guys, one sec, I'm gonna take you guys a bit downwards. I am so sorry. Yeah, these headphones are really fantastic, because if you're a person like me that's always loves the treadmill or cardio, you know, you always worry about wires, you know, getting in the way basically. But actually these were really fantastic. So this was like a really good investment I made from eBay. I'm sorry though, let me just take a minute, let me just apologize again, because there's a thing with me, I'm terrible at giving out proper information, and I'm really sorry about that, guys. Okay, this was not from the website, this was from eBay actually, and I am so sorry, guys. Please do forgive yours truly. I am a complete terrible when it comes to these type of things, okay? So I hope that has cleared up any misunderstanding, and once again, I'm really am sorry though. Apart from dyslexic as well, guys, I do suffer from speech therapy, and sometimes it's kind of hard for me trying to get proper words out, so I hope that you guys can fully understand where I'm coming from, and I love you all very much. No, but seriously, coming back to these headphones, you know, it was a smooth setup basically. It was a really smooth setup. I am so sorry, somebody's trying to reach me upon Twitter as we speak. If you guys are not already yet following me upon social media, please make sure that you guys do. It kind of keeps you up to date on what's going on in my life and what's going on with the channel and everything else. But though, honestly though, I just really wanted to bring you guys like an unboxings of the Turtle Beach I30 headphones, and these are seriously one of the best investments I've ever made in life, because apart from wires, which I hate the most actually, these were so much fun and so much comfortable to work out at the gym with. So I would really highly recommend them. Really highly recommend them. And also, just another major thank you to Turtle Beach, who are the developers or the creators of these headphones. Guys, thank you so much. Actually, a little bit personal story to me. If you guys are new to my channel, when I first started out here upon YouTube, I bought these really cheap knockoff headphones I did. And I reached out to the company, I sent them an email, and then like a few hours later, they asked me if I could post them back to them. And this is the way it kind of gets a little bit weird though for me, okay? Because I did not receive no email from the company, absolutely nothing. But the very next day, I think it was the DPD people, they sent me an email saying to me that there's going to be a package delivered for Sensei. The DPD people, the very next day, sent me an email saying that there's going to be a package to deliver to Sensei, basically. And then I got home and my mom goes to me, there was a package for you. And actually, it turns out to be, it was a PX22 headphones for free it was. So just like a major thank you to the company of Turtle Beach. Guys, thank you so much. I wish to God I still had them actually, but they actually snapped on me, they did. So I'm actually looking into buying the same pair again, because when I go traveling next time, they could come with me and we can still do more gameplays or more vlogs, and it just kind of makes my life a little bit easier. But seriously, this has to be one of the best investments I've ever made. And though, to be honest though, I was a little bit denial. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I was a bit denial that these were second-handed, but actually they just work really fantastic. They do. You know, they're really smooth, super comfortable, very loud. I'm not sure if I can. Let me see if I can play. Let me show you guys what I mean by that. Okay, I'm just gonna play a song for you guys, and I'm hoping to God I won't be copyrighted or anything like that. Please don't copyright me, please guys, please don't. Sorry, 1 second. Sorry guys, just give me 1 second and I am all yours. Okay, and this is how loud the headphones really are. I'm not sure if you guys can hear that. If you're wondering which track this is by Oliver James, Head Above Water. I mean, they're like really good, they are.
This is what you wanted, right? At least that's what I thought. And now I'm running circles, trying. Nothing's ever enough. Everything is happening now, but I'm still having the hardest time when all you see is the tide going in and out, but in between the push and pull holding you down, you're feeling tired. Oh, it's getting harder and harder. Oh, keeping my head above water. Don't get me wrong.
That's how fantastic these headphones really are. And though, to be honest, I'm really quite happy to have these headphones in my life, because now what this means for me, when I go to the gym, I don't have to worry about wires, I don't have to worry about anything, so to speak. So yeah, I think this was like one of the best investment I've ever made. And as I say again though, if you guys have any questions, please leave me your questions in the comments below, and I'll try to get back to you guys ASAP, or maybe somebody else down there can answer it for you then okay then guys. No, but seriously, just like a major thank you to you guys out there just for watching. If you guys have liked, commented, shared, or even subscribed, guys, thank you so much. Another major thank you goes out to Turtle Beach, who are the makers of these headphones. Guys, thank you so much for giving me another great pair of headphones. If you had asked me one question, who and are my favorite headphone people. I'm not sucking up to him. I'm not sucking up to him. It's my honest belief and opinion. I would say Turtle Beach are the best ones to go with, okay? For gaming, for audio, or whatever it may be, I would highly recommend Turtle Beach for you guys, okay? So, as taken though, guys, if you have left me a like, a comment, if you shared, and subscribed, guys, thank you so much. If you have subscribed, please activate that notification bell, so next time when I do a stream, or an upload, or anything else, you guys will be the first to know, okay? So, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Till next time, I'm going to catch you guys on the next unboxing, okay? So, take care. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching. Love you guys. See ya. Bye.